Elisa Lam, a 21-year-old Canadian student, disappeared in 2013 while staying at the infamous Cecil Hotel in Los Angeles. Known for its dark history, the hotel had housed serial killers.
Yo, that was scary, right? And that was all done by AI. Let me introduce you to this channel right here, True Crime Cases. They make true crime story videos. They have over 7,000 subscribers, and they have accumulated over 1 million views. When we take a look at their social blade, we can see that they are estimated to make to $250 a month. That doesn't sound like all that much, right? Well, let me be straight up. This channel is growing, and I think this is a niche that can be super lucrative in terms of money, views and subscribers. I know their shortcomings and what can be improved. In this video, I will teach you that. So if you want to know how to make a true crime case story video that will go viral, then you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own true crime story video and go viral. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. First of all, let's take a look at their content. It is basically just a text-to-speech voice, and they are showing like 2 images. There is no background music, there is nothing much to it, and they really repeat the same images again and again. But why did this video get over 300,000 views? Well, the story is quite interesting and people just love stories. So if we simply copy their methods and then on top of that, we make the video even better, we are bound to go instantly viral. So where do we start? Well, just go to ChatGPT and ask the following. I want to make a YouTube channel that has true crime cases videos. Please give me the narration script, which should be smooth to read out loud in one go, for a new video. So you should come up with a true crime case story. And also, please give me all the image prompts so I can generate enough images to illustrate the entire video. So do not limit yourself to only 10 image prompts. Write everything down here, and not in a document. And now worries, I will also put this prompt in the video description. Okay, that is almost perfect. Now let's ask T to give us the narration text in a more smoothly readable and copyable text. Just ask something like this. Okay, that is amazing. Now we are going to copy this text and now we will go and search for the perfect text-to-speech tool. And that is 11 Labs. Here on 11 Labs, we will first go to our voices and then to library. Here in the voice library, we will look for the perfect narrator for our story. Simply use the filters to make your search easier. When you like the previewed voices, click on Add and then click on Use. Now we were spared here at the text-to-speech section. Now we only need to paste the text from Chat-GPT here and press Generate.
Today, we delve into a case that has perplexed investigators and the public alike.
Amazing. Now let's download it. Next up, open a new CapCut project and drop the audio file form 11 Labs in the playlist. And guys, this normally never happens, but just look at that. Next to that, the voice has a lot of long unnormal pauses. The voice also seems to quiet down. Upon regenerating it for free, I unfortunately had the same problem. Yeah, I want to also show you that those things can happen. But okay, I will use another narrator voice. This is the one I also used in my Scary Story Shorts video.
Today, we delve into a case that has perplexed investigators and the public alike.
Now add it to CapCut. The next step is to delete all the longer pauses. You can do this manually and also by going here. Yeah, this is only for pro users. As you can see, they automatically detect filler words and pauses, but I do not think that this function is super good. It also makes a bit of mistakes. It is still best to do the pause cutting manually. Okay, now it's time we are going to generate the images. Simply use the image prompts from ChatGPT and be sure to generate them in a widescreen format, so 16:9. You could, for example, use Leonardo AI. Simply paste the prompt here, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and press Generate. Just amazing. And now do that for the rest like this. Since I have a Midjourney subscription, I'm going to make use of that, because why not? So watch me generate all the images here in Midjourney. and sometimes I tweak and edit the prompts a bit. Adding the words dark and eerie always helps to get an even scarier image. Now I will upscale a lot of images and download them. You are always better off having too much footage than too little. You can always delete them later on. Okay, when you've collected all the images, it is time we are going to put them into CapCut. So simply drag and drop all the images in the playlist. Now you need to put them all in chronological order, according to the storyline. And now you also need to decide which images stay and which ones will not be used. And of course, you also need to resize the images. And guys, yes, I am going to cheat. I will ask ChatGPT to give me a 1-minute script of the same story. I will regenerate it in 11 labs and add it to CapCut. Now I just need to remove the pauses. Okay, now I will add the images. Okay, perfect. Once you've placed all the images, we are going to do something cool next. We are going to bring the images to life. Go to Effects, and now go to Motion. Now do you see these two 3D zoom effects? Well, we will use them both in a ABAB order. Simply drag them onto the image like this. The processing takes some time, but it is really worth it. Just look here, it really adds depth and amazing liveliness. somehow the effect won't work on these hands. So let's just add an animation there. And I will also add this horror effect to the hands. Now we are going to add the captions. Go to Captions and press Generate. And guys, this feature is for pro users only, but to be honest, it is really amazing and such a lifesaver. Fix any errors in the text if there are any. Now go to the right and look for a fitting template. Next up, we are going to add the background music. Simply go to the YouTube audio library and search for some fitting music. You can, for example, simply type "scary" and then there will be some amazing fitting tracks. Now download it and add it to the project. Resize it and adjust the volume in a way that the narrator is still crystal clear and understandable. As a final touch, we are going to add some filters to seal the deal. I just love the center light filter, and the Oppenheimer effect is just perfect for these types of videos. When you are done, export your video in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own true crime story video and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Elisa Lam, a 21-year-old Canadian student, disappeared in 2013 while staying at the infamous Cecil Hotel in Los Angeles. Known for its dark history, the hotel had housed serial killers like Richard Ramirez, Elisa's last known sighting was on hotel surveillance footage, showing her in an elevator acting bizarrely, pressing buttons, peering out anxiously, and making strange hand movements. The footage went viral, sparking countless theories. Weeks later, after complaints of low water pressure, Elisa's body was discovered in a rooftop water tank. Her death was ruled an accidental drowning, linked to her bipolar disorder. But questions remained. The rooftop was difficult to access, raising suspicions of foul play or supernatural influence. The true circumstances surrounding Elisa's death remain one of the most haunting unsolved cases, shrouded in mystery and speculation.